In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit screenshots and annotations in GIMP, specifically designed for beginners. Whether you're preparing a presentation, putting together a tutorial, or simply aiming to highlight critical aspects of an image, being able to efficiently edit screenshots and add annotations can be incredibly useful. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, we're going to start by opening your screenshot in GIMP. GIMP, or GNU Image Manipulation Program, is a versatile piece of software that's free to download and can be quite powerful once you get the hang of it. So fire up GIMP on your computer. Once it's open, you'll want to go to the File menu on the top left, select Open, and then navigate to find your screenshot file. Click on it, and it should appear as a new project in your workspace. Now that you have your screenshot open, let's move on to the next step, which is highlighting specific areas of your image. To do this, we'll use either the Rectangle Select Tool or the Ellipse Select Tool, depending on whether you want to emphasize a rectangular or circular region. You can find these tools on the left-hand side in the tool palette. Click on your preferred tool, and then click and drag on your image to draw a selection. Adjust the edges as needed to perfectly frame the area you want to highlight. Next, we'll add some arrows or shapes to direct attention or indicate movement. You can do this with the Paintbrush tool or the Path tool. If you're using the Paintbrush tool, select a brush style and size you're comfortable with, then simply paint your arrows or shapes onto the image. If you prefer more precise control, consider using the Path tool. It allows you to click and create points that make up an arrow or shape and offers adjustment handles for fine-tuning. This is particularly useful for ensuring perfectly straight lines or uniform curves. Finally, it's time to insert any text annotations, which are great for adding notes or explanations directly onto your screenshot. Select the Text tool from the side panel, then click on your image where you want to add your text. A text box will appear, and you can type out whatever message you wish to add. Feel free to adjust the font, size, and color options in the text box properties to make it more legible or aesthetically pleasing. Once you're satisfied with your annotations, it's crucial to save your work in a format that captures these changes. Head over to the File menu and choose Export As. You'll want to save your annotated screenshot in a widely accepted format like PNG or JPEG to ensure compatibility with most systems and applications. Give your file a name, pick your format, and click Export. You can now share your edited screenshot knowing it's polished and professional. There you have it. A simple yet powerful way to edit screenshots and add annotations using GIMP. With these techniques, you'll be able to enhance visuals in your presentations and documents, making your content more effective and engaging. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy editing.